We'll guide you through how to analyze Figma's stock price using the latest tools and platforms available as of 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to a reliable financial news website such as Bloomberg or CNBC. These sites offer real-time stock price updates and analysis. Once there, in the search bar, type Figma to pull up the latest stock information. You'll see a detailed graph showing the stock's performance over various timeframes, like 1 day, 1 month, or 1 year. Click on the time frame you're interested in to see the historical data. For a deeper analysis, you need to look at key financial metrics like the price-to-earnings ratio, the earnings per share, and market capitalization. These are usually listed right below the stock price chart. Pay attention to recent news articles linked on the page that might impact Figma's stock, such as quarterly earnings reports, new product launches, or changes in management. Next, you can use advanced analysis tools like TradingView. Go to TradingView's website and search for Figma's ticker symbol. Here, you can use technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to predict future price movements. Don't forget to check expert analysts' ratings on platforms like Yahoo Finance or Google Finance, which provide buy, hold, or sell recommendations based on current market conditions. Finally, set alerts for any significant price changes or news updates. This can be done through most financial apps or directly from the websites you visited. Regular monitoring is key to staying informed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.